Hello. Variables are names you can create on Python to store values. From this code we run in the previous video, we don't have any variables there. So we would go ahead to create some variables. I'll show you how to do that and we would run it in our terminal. So let's go into it. So we just remove this print function. Then let's assign mine equal to dates time dot date time. Then we bring back our print function. Then we call our variable mine. Yeah. Always remember to save. Then you run the code. You just press your up arrow to get the previous program you run and click enter. Okay, there we go. So maybe you just want to do something more. Let's say number. No. Cristiano Ronaldo 7. Let's say text. Messi. Then let's give our print function num comma text. Save and we run. There you go. You have the date and time, we have a number, and we have Messi. So let me tell you something about this variable. We cannot use, let me show you, minus sign to store a variable name, because minus is a special operator in Python and we cannot use numbers to save any variable names, like adding numbers at the front, no, or a minus sign. Sorry, what did I just do? A minus sign, no. Thank you.